I hope you had a great holiday. If that's something that you celebrate, I know I did. I spent a lot of time with family, and it gave me a lot of time to reflect on this past year, which was amazing. Thanks to you. So thank you for being a part of this whole YouTube community with me. I really appreciate it. And moving into 2022, I plan on continuing to do the free VST videos, the cakewalk videos. I have a bunch of traction waveform videos on the way that you're not going to want to miss. Plus, I'll continue to do the DAW videos, the plugins, and just general home studio gear videos. Now, some things that I'm kind of debating on adding in 2022 are some videos related to the Reaper DAW. I know I have one video for Reaper and it's done really well, and it's helped a lot of people to get into Reaper and start making music with it, which is amazing because Reaper is an excellent DAW. So I'm thinking about doing some videos for that one. And one of the video ideas I have is making your first song in Reaper. So it would be like a basics that we go step by step in creating a song in Reaper, or starting to create a song anyway. And then after that, I would deep dive into specific little topics within the Reaper DAW, similar to what I do with Cakewalk and Traction Waveform at the moment. So that's one thing that you might see coming in 2022. Now, another thing that I want to add in 2022 is more of the songwriting tips or inspiration types of videos. Maybe things like writing a song that can actually get airplay on a radio station. Now, I know I've worked in radio for over 14 years. I know what I looked for when a band would submit a CD or MP3 over to the station, and I would actually play some bands. There's things that I look for, and I know others look for it because I know quite a few people within radio, and there are things that we look for if we're going to play your music, and if they work for a station that's allowed to play unsigned bands or smaller bands. I do have a lot of ideas for writing songs, and I even wrote this 6-step process for writing and then to releasing. So 6 steps from writing a song to releasing it. And that's something that I'm probably going to be introducing onto the channel in 2022. So I'm hoping that you'll be into those types of videos, and maybe it will actually inspire you to write a great song, or at least write your next song. Now, I've also debated about doing some videos on the Reason DAW, which is another great DAW, and also Cubase, but I'm not sure I want to introduce too many more DAWs in 2022. I like to keep things simple and keep it with DAWs that people can walk into for free and just start making music. So Traction Waveform, Cakewalk by BandLab, and Reason, you can get into all of those without forking out any money. But let me know if there's something that you'd like to see on the channel in 2022. I know I've had a lot of comments about making beat making videos, and beat making isn't really my thing. I'm more of a rock guy. I do like listening to music that's made with beats, like hip hop and EDM types of music. I listen to those, and I do try to create beats every now and then. It's just for fun. So I'm not too confident with showing people how to make the beats if that's not really my strong point. But I have purchased some courses on creating hip hop beats, so I'm hoping to have some time to dig into those, and then maybe I'll learn something and I can relate those to you. So making beat videos is something that's on my list. I know that they've been requested quite a bit, so it is something I'm working on. But is there other videos that maybe you want to see in 2022? Are you happy with what I'm planning to do in 2022? And would you like to see more videos like this, where it's just sort of an update on the channel, and maybe you can deliver some more feedback in the comments so I can learn more about what you want, and then that helps me to deliver the information that's wanted by this community. So let's make 2022 an incredible creative year for Audio Tech TV. I'm Zane. Keep creating, and we'll talk soon.